Is your HP printer refusing to print? Don't worry, it's a common problem. In most cases, it's easy to fix. This issue can happen for several reasons, such as printer not being set as default, print jobs getting stuck in the queue, or outdated printer drivers. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 simple methods to get your HP printer printing again. If you need one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers shown on the screen. Otherwise, follow along and let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Set your HP printer as default printer. Click the Start menu on your Windows computer. Type Printers and Scanners in the search bar and click Open. Scroll down and locate Let Windows manage my default printer and turn off this option by unchecking the box. Scroll back up, select your HP printer from the list and click Manage. Click Set as Default. If this solves the problem, don't forget to subscribe to Printer Tales for more printer troubleshooting guides. If your printer still isn't printing, let's move on to next solution. Method 2. Cancel all pending print jobs. On your computer, double-click the printer icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Note, if you don't see the printer icon, click the Show Hidden Icons arrow first. In the Print Queues window, right-click on any pending HP print job and select Cancel. When prompted, select Yes to confirm. Note, if there are multiple print jobs, cancel each one individually until the queue is empty. If you're facing other HP printer issues, let us know in the comments below. We'd be happy to create a tutorial for you. If the printer still isn't printing, let's update the printer driver. Method 3. Update printer driver. Click the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. Expand the Print Queues section. Find your HP printer, right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search for latest driver and install it automatically if an update is available. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.